How's everyone doing so far? Guys, look at my outfit! Wow! Thank you so much! Thank you! Special shoutout, actually nakita ko siya kanina. Dr. Arabella, hello po! Oh, we did it! Thank you so much. Thank you so much also po. I want to give a huge shout out to all of the platforms and companies who just gave me the opportunity to be able to share my voice and my music po sa mga audience po nila. And there have been so many in the last 15 years. Maraming salamat po. And grabe, this has been such a joy. We are so many songs in and many songs to go pa po. And I would like to share, actually, na yun nga, I have been doing so many. I have doing so many last couple of years, actually. During the pandemic, I got married, first of all. I also started a record label with my friends called Underdog Music, who, by the way, helped me mount this incredible concert. Let's please give it a hand for Underdog Music. And all our incredible artists who are here, the Ridleys as well. Thank you so much. And as the years have been, as the years go by, parang ang dami ko talagang, it was actually only until recently na I really got to discover myself. And what I found is actually more than also writing music. I found na I really love to, paano ko ba i-explain? I love to make other people's story my own. Be an interpreter. I like being able to just put myself into other people's stories and shoes, and I guess somehow be the voice of what they are going through. And when my husband and I, Dave, wrote this song called Wishing Well, we had a very specific storyline in our head. Actually, nakakatawa. So, i-share ko lang, Dave, ha? Na recently, like literally just this week, Dave was working so hard and the merch also, and then in an elevator, dala niya yung merch. Tapos, there was this guy who was also in the elevator with him. And then he saw yung merch and had my face on it. Tapos sabi niya, totoo ba, hiwalay na sila? Sabi ni Dave, sino po? Tapos sabi ni Sir, yung si Morissette. So tama, ako daw talaga. Yung si Morissette, maghihiwalay na daw yan ng asawa niya. Tapos sabi ni Dave, Sir, ako po yung asawa. And we're very much okay. And we're happy. So karuhin ko lang po, yes, we're very much happy and we're married and we still like to, thank you so much, let's go married people! Marriage is fun! And we still like to write sad songs. And so, when we were writing this song, we had a very different storyline. But honestly, in the last week, it's just been crazy how there's so many people in our industry who just passed away. And it's so sad because, well, I would like to honor two of them. I mean, there have been so many. It's so crazy kasi ang dami talaga. I would like to honor the memory and the art and the legacy of two of them. One is the Sir G.A. Falyarme. And I was actually looking forward to also working with him on this concert as well. And yun, sinabi ko nga sa kanila, guys, I really want to work with Sir G.A. forever. And then another one is si Kuya Davey Langit. I got the chance. Let's just please give them a big round of applause. Such amazing people in our industry who are gone too soon. I got to work with Kuya Davey very, very briefly, but of course I know of him. Like sobrang, he's well respected in our industry. I got to catch up with him nung naghimikan daw po ako before. And it's just, it's so crazy na life is so short. And so going back, I just wanted to honor them on this stage today because they're such amazing creatives and artists that we lost too soon. And going back, when we were writing Wishing Well, we had a very specific storyline in our head, which is, okay, itong Wishing Well, this is about parang yung losing the longing for someone. Yung parang ko ba i-explain? You're letting go of the longing that you have for someone who no longer longs you.